All getting lined up for the parade. So we're gonna take my M over and put it in the steel booth real quick. Here with the giveaway car. What you thinking? Did you enter to win or what?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Did you?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know if I'm allowed to. I want to.
I have to.
This is a sick car.
Imagine winning and driving it home.
I would drive home if I won. That would be fair. It's about 2 or 3 days, but
that would be the funnest ride.
You know what? I would do that. Wow, we're picking up some pace now. Jeez.
I can get a picture of everyone if you guys want it.
I don't know, we're trying to find the off-road area because they said I could drive their cross carts. They said, just go around the back.
We're trying to go to the back.
Where is the back around? There is no back to this place. It's all front.
Dude, you want to see that inside though?
No, let's go that way.
The back is that way.
So it's like a vending machine. Just pick one and take it down, right? Yeah, no, this is a super sick collection here. A couple Radicals, Wicked. What's cool about the Radical is that they can be 2-seaters. So this is just a little bit of the collection of cars that they have out here, and we're about to jump into a cross car, which is these cars right here. It's a little single-seater off-road little cart, so they call them a cross cart. So they're allowing me to jump in and go for a run. They got it out there on the track, so let's see what it does.
Or whoever needs to make the call on.
More like a track drive.
Yeah,
you know,
it's a big track.
Yeah, you got a nice facility like this. We don't walk it.
Yeah,
we get in
I'm not okay
what is
with
this,
walking.
Can-Am? Sick.
So I'm gonna kind of give you the cross car track walk, and you can take from it and adapt that to the safari car. So pit lane, this is where we stage for every single cross car event that we do. Stage out of here. It's kind of it's a grassy pit lane. Shoot off into the gross.
Didn't even make it on the track yet.
So we'll do 2 laps. First lap, we'll kind of talk about dirt a little bit, since you're a pavement guy mostly. So dirt's a little different. When you're driving on the dirt, your top layer is always the most slippery, right? So you have real fine material on this top layer, and then once you break through that top layer and you blow off all that silty, fine dirt, you get to a harder layer, which they kind of call like the crust underneath. Then you get into like some hard pack stuff, and you're actually able to get some traction and kind of go for it. In the same sense, all that loose material that you're sideways as you're driving, so all that loose material you're blowing off to the outside edge of the corner. Coming down the straight, you're gonna stay way track left, very late brake. You're gonna pitch it in, and then you're gonna try and put a tire right up on this inside bank, and then slowly start to track out. You're gonna be about middle to inside of the track all the way around. This is a super late apex here. So the apex of the corner is technically way over here. So you're gonna just flip right here, right up on the inside. Literally putting a tire there. So, fun training moment. You may know this, but so driving on dirt, one of the biggest key things, especially if you're racing, is you always compromise your line for grip. So in this scenario, if I was racing somebody, the actual racing line may be on the inside of the corner, but because it's wet and I have this big, nasty soft spot, the outside line will actually potentially be faster. So if I'm racing with somebody, I may actually be able to make a pass on the outside edge of the corner just based on grip. It has nothing to do with line. Yeah. So coming out of there, little crest. Once you come up over this crest, the cart will get a little light, so you may offset just a touch. It's same thing in the car as you're coming over the crest. It may offset you into the weeds, so be prepared for that. Stay track left, really, really super high up here, and then start to bring it in. All right, now to the fun part, the jump.
Yeah.
So the jump was I just reshaped it. It's more of a tabletop. It used to be more of like a spine, if you will. But running the long loop that we're running now, you'd actually land it flat, and it was like killing people's backs, and it was no good.
No.
So I chopped out the center of it. I pushed all the material to the back side of it. So now, at the correct pace, you kind of glide right up and over it. You don't even feel the center. So the most important thing hitting the jump is you want to be dead straight. Literally, above anything else you do, you want to be straight, because whatever angle you're at as you come up over the crest and the car comes off the ground, that's the angle that it's going to continue moving at. So, dead straight, up and over.
Dead straight.
Sorry, I'm a little nervous with the camera.
You're doing great. Thank you.
I mean, overseas, this is a rally routine, so they run a mixture of dirt and asphalt.
Yeah.
A proper track for one of these is a mixture of
No.
ice with this.
Whoa. Tell me it's 12,000 pounds.
So the lap belts are really, really difficult to get by hand. You can get them great if not I do it every single time.
There we go. Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Just take her easy.
Alright.
You got your helmet?
Yeah, I got her over there.
Alright. So that was absolutely awesome. These are like, they're tiny little off-road rush cars. It's a 750-pound car with a 750cc engine. So the rush cars are about 1150 or so, and with a 1000cc engine. So very, very similar in overall speed. But yeah, just hitting this jump and just taking it up and over this, it was just so rad, right? And yeah, this whole little park here, so it's all this like very loose kind of sand on top, but like, yeah, when you kind of get it leaned over and on the pedal and digging, it actually like speeds up. So I've noticed that this car actually likes the wheel speed, right? Because it's actually chewing and digging, getting under that sand instead of trying to be easy on the pedal and being on top of it. So yeah, the harder you're on the pedal, the faster it goes. So I'm into that. So take a little break. Andres is gonna go cruise it around, and then yeah, I'll see if I can beat that time. I did 103.9. I was doing like 104s, basically knocking a couple tenths off every lap, trying to find the line, trying to find the speed. And yeah, he said he doesn't have a timeout here, so we're gonna have him run and see what he can put down. our instructor here, Trevor. So we'll see how we are.
Fun. I can't believe it has so much grip, and like when you do left foot braking, like it just grabs like instantly.
Yeah.
Like it's super fun.
So cool, dude.
Oh my god. Thank you so much, Chris.
Yeah, man. So we actually got the okay to go drifting with the Infinity out at Motor Enclave, which is very much a no drifting track, right? And so after like an awesome day here with the Motor Enclave crew, getting to drive in the little cross cart and getting the safari car out on the dirt area, getting that thing a little dirty, getting some cool photos of that with Carl Phillips and the rest of the team. We got them convinced to let us take the Optima Infinity out and put on a little show right in front of the main event center over here. But freaking lightning, Florida, 4 o'clock. That's what happens all the time. So the old, it's just a little sprinkle right now, but about 20 minutes ago there was a lightning strike, and you know how it goes with the racetracks. There's lightning within 10 miles. They shut the track down for a period of time. There was only like 20 or 30 minutes left in the day. I was gonna basically close the day out with a little drift demo, but it's all good. The fact that we got the yes is a win in itself. So I'm stoked on that. But that is the end of our day. Thank you so much to Motor Enclave for giving us a cool space to come out here and put on a show. Although we'll have to save it for next time. But yeah, awesome time. Heading back to, what are we doing now? Now we're gonna load up, get the car back inside, and then they're actually doing a documentary movie night here at Motor Enclave, and they're gonna be showing a Paul Newman doc. So Paul Newman, for those that don't know, famous actor turned racer, raced with Nissan for many years, and so there's a doc that they're gonna be playing tonight that shows that. So I'm curious, I'm sure I'm gonna learn another fact or two about him. So